Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Naj Initiative. Today I wanna say about my journey by boat. A successful and happy life can't be imagined without making any journey during holidays. Therefore, with a view to making life successful and fruitful, one should make any journey during one's holidays. A journey means to go from one place to another alone or with a group. A journey by boat means to go from one place to another by boat. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, canals, hours, and bills. So it's very easy, cheap, and comfortable to make a journey by boat in our country. It's very enjoyable. It was the month Ashar. Our examination was over. Our college was closed. The rainy season had just set in. My father asked me to go to my uncle's house, which is about 20 kilometers away from our house. The house is on the other side of the Podda, so I got a chance to make a journey by boat. Three friends joined me. We had a small, beautiful boat. It had two able-bodied boatmen who were very jolly-minded and cheerful. We started from our river ghat in the morning at 7 a.m. on December 20, 2019. The sky was clear and the weather was fine. The river was calm at first. The boatmen started rowing. Next, they set sail. The boatmen began to sing Bhati Ali songs. The songs charmed me very much. I enjoyed the scenery on the either banks of the river. Our boat was dancing with small waves. We saw hundreds of boats flying up and down in the river. We saw many boys and girls bathing and swimming in the river. We saw many fishermen fishing in the deep river and the farmers harvesting in the paddy fields. We also found many boats, steamers, and launches plying across the river. We reached my uncle's house at 2 p.m. Uncle, aunt, and cousins gladly received us. We had a rich lunch there. After taking a rest, we started for our house again at 4 p.m. When we received near our river guard, the sun was setting. The water of river also turned red. Really, the scenario was charming. It was dark when we reached home. A journey by boat is really very enjoyable. It removes the monotony of works and studies. I achieved new experience and new knowledge. I shall never forget this happy journey in my life. So every student or every person should make a journey by boat once a year on holidays. Thank you for watching our videos. Goodbye. Have a nice day.